Hi, I'm Shani Darden. I'm an esthetician in Los Angeles and the founder of Shani Darden Skincare. When my clients come to me and want to address uneven skin tone or fine lines and wrinkles, I recommend Retinol Reform. Retinol is the best anti-aging ingredient to fight the signs of aging for visibly glowing, youthful-looking skin. This cutting-edge, stable retinol slowly releases, delivering a consistent stream of retinol through the night. This helps to minimize irritation often experienced with other retinol products. Whether you're in your 20s or your 50s, you'll see visible results in the texture of your skin in as little as 2 weeks. My unique retinol formula also contains lactic acid, a gentle AHA that smooths and brightens the skin and is great for all skin types. After cleansing, apply 1 to 2 pumps of retinol all over your face, including under the eyes, neck, and chest, following up with a moisturizer that's right for your skin type. I recommend starting 1 to 2 times a week and adding a night each week and building up to as often as your skin can tolerate it. I can't even tell you how effective using a retinol nightly or even a couple nights a week can be for your skin. Just stick with it and you will see an improvement in fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven skin tone.